Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Ash. Ash means residue left after burning substance. For example, cigarette ash. Cigarette ash. Synonyms: cinders, ashes, embers.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. In my opinion, the oath should be burned to ashes. Now, repeat after me. In my opinion, the oath should be burned to ashes. The second exemplar. Everything was burned to ashes, and people were left utterly dazed. Now, repeat after me. Everything was burned to ashes, and people were left utterly dazed. The third exemplar. An ash tree produces more and more branches as time passes. Now, repeat after me. An ash tree produces more and more branches as time passes.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The QWERTY keyboard gains its name from the fact that its first 6 letter keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. On early typewriters, the keys were arranged in such a way as to minimize the clashing of the mechanical rods that carried the letters.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.